In this video, we are going to make trade of $1,000 in each trade because one of my subscribers was able to turn his $2 into $100 by using the exact strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. And this is the exact strategy that have helped me to also increase my $10 into $2,500. And I'll put that video in the end of this video anywhere at the screen. You can watch that video, but before that, you watch this video where I'm going to make $1,000 per trade. I have this much confidence in this strategy that I'm going to risk this much amount so that I can give you the confidence to make trade with this strategy. The strategy is very much simple. Just make all of these OTC pair favorite, that is over 90 or 80% payout. Once you do that much, just click on this candle, select this candle, make sure this timer is enabled. If it is not enabled, then this kind of timer will not show. Enable it and select S5 as your trading time frame. In OTC pair, you can trade in 5-second time frame. Now next thing you need to do is you need to make this flag clock and click on here and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now what happened? Your trading time frame is also 5 seconds and your candles are also of 5 seconds. Now once you do this much, just click on this indicator and click on parabolic SAR, one of my favorite indicator. So this indicator is very much simple. Whenever the parabolic dots are forming below the candle, that means it is an uptrend, and whenever this second dot is going to form, at that time you need to make trade and higher. So in here I have made a trade by clicking on lower because the second dot have formed above the candle and I have made loss. Now this happens while making trades. Okay, so whenever the candles are above the parabolic dots and second dot is forming, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher, and whenever the parabolic dots are forming above the candles, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower whenever the second dot is forming. You don't need to take lots of headache, you just need to do this thing only. So let's see if we can find an entry. So you need to keep on switching this type of currency pair. So if it is all above, then it is fine. You just need to make this starch yellow so this currency pair can appear at here and you can easily switch. So let's find out. This video is going to be absolutely interesting. I have already made a loss of $1,000, but no worries. Let's keep on finding. Here you can see one dot, second dot I have formed. So I made a trade by clicking on higher because in second dot, whenever the dots are below the candles, you need to make trade by clicking on higher. So we have made two loss in a row. But if you see here, whenever this second dot I have formed, if you had made the trade in this candle, then you could have made profit. So let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. We can easily recover our loss. No need to worry at all about this. So let's keep on finding. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard. Here you can see we could have made trade, but here also it could have gone loss. Sometimes the timing is not good. Here you can see it is 65%, so I can proceed. So payout should be above 80%. Okay, sometimes the timing is not good and we could have made loss. Here you can see in second dot, if you had made trade, you could have made profit. So let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. Second dot I already formed and you could have made profit at here. So let's find more places where you can see, so where you can find the good entry point. Keep on switching the currency pair to get the good entry point. Here also you could have made profit. 73% payout. This strategy, sometimes this thing happens, you don't get entry point easily. Here one dot you have saw, so I made trade a little bit quickly. That's not a good thing, and we made loss in this also. 75% payout. We'll proceed. So let's keep on finding. Yes, one dot, second dot I have formed, so we made a trade by clicking on lower and we made profit in this trade. So let's keep on. Now what I am noticing is in these currency pair which are at here in the last, okay, in those currency pair, parabolic ACR is working extremely well. So I'll try to just find. Oh my god, we just missed this trade. Your second dot have formed, so we made trade by clicking on lower. Let's see. Yeah, we made profit at here. So in this currency pair, it is absolutely working. So we'll only focus on this currency pair. So you need to be able to watch the market in the real time while you are making the trades, where it is working, where it is not. Here you can see 69% payout. So we are going to cross it. Let's keep on finding. No. So again, we'll go back and try to find if we can get some entry point. Yeah, there was a dot formed, but we missed the trade. Anyways, let's find in another places. I'm not going to make any edits to this video so that you can watch everything properly and decide properly how and where you should make the trade like this. Here you can see second dot have formed. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens. Yeah, we made loss in this trade. No worries. Now let's keep on finding. And we made a trade by clicking on lower because second dot have formed. Let's see what happens in this trade. We made the profit. So let's go and find other places where we can make the trade. Yeah, one dot I have already formed, second dot is about to form. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher. And we made the profit. So we are only $320 in loss at right now. So let's keep on finding. Here you can see second dot I have formed. If we had made trade, we could have gone in loss. So let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. Let's keep on finding. So here we could have made profit. Second dot had already formed and we missed that trade. 67% payout. So we are going to cross it. So one dot have formed. We are going to make trade by clicking on higher because second dot have formed below the candles. That means it is an uptrend. So we are in $600 profit. Yeah, I have gone to the loss and I have made profit right now. So here also we are going to get an entry point. So I made a trade by clicking on higher because second dot have formed and just above the candle, and we made a loss at here. That's fine. Loss happens while trading. So let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. Second dot have formed, but we could have made loss in it. So one dot have formed, second dot have formed, but we're a little bit delayed while making trade in this candle. Okay, but again at last we made loss here, you see. So let's keep on finding for more places. You need to risk a certain amount while making trade with this strategy and keep on trading by keeping faith in this strategy, and you'll surely make the profit. Okay, so I made a trade a little bit faster here because you can see this candle was not closed previously, but still we made profit. We are in loss of $480. So let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. Do not forget to like this video, and if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. So let's, one of the irritating part is you don't get entry easily while switching this kind of currency pairs. So second dot I've already formed, but we missed that trade. So first dot, second dot I've formed. So we made a trade where we made a trade in a little bit below, but let's see. Again, we made a loss. So let's find more places. Now what happens if you don't find this kind of places where you can make the trade, you can make more currency pair your favorite so that you can get this kind of signals where you can make the trade. So let's go to the start and try to see if we get signal is these new currency pairs that we have added just. You don't need to make trades in this fast way, okay? But in order to make the video short, I need to make trades a little bit faster by switching this currency pair in this way. You can slowly switch the currency pair to find the entry points. So second dot I've already found, but I made a little bit delay in making the trade, okay? So made profit. 68% payout. Let's cross it. Again, let's go to the start. 41%. Let's cross it. 92% payout. 81, 92. Yeah, one dot I found. Let's wait for 1 second, and we made the trade by clicking on higher. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. Yeah, we made profit. So we are just in $360 profit. If few of our trades goes right consecutively, then we are going to also make profit. As you can see, even after making these many trades, I am not in the loss. Second dot I found. That's why I made a trade by clicking on lower, and this trade went wrong. So today it's a little bit hard day to make profit for me, but let's see. At the moment, I can conclude that this strategy is neither giving me profit nor giving me loss. But let's again find more place where we can make the trade. Here we could have made profit. This was already gone. One dot have formed. So in second dot, we are going to make trade by clicking on higher because candles, sorry, dots are below the candles. We made profit, $280 profit. Let's find out more places. Yeah, second dot I formed already. We couldn't make the trade at there. Second dot have already formed. Second dot have already formed. So let's keep on finding. So again, now let's start to go this way. Let's see if we could find some signals. No. Still no signal. Yeah, we could make trade by clicking on lower because dot have formed above the candle. So we didn't make any profit or loss. It was a draw trade. So let's find other places where we can make the trade. Any place. Second dot have already formed. First dot, second dot. In second dot, we made a trade by clicking on low, higher. And we made a profit. Let's keep on finding more places where we can make the trade. Second dot have already formed. 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 So guys, right now I'm tired by switching this currency pair, but as you can see, we initially made loss, but at last we made $1,200 profit. I know it is not a great profit with the trading volume that we have done, but still this strategy is this much helpful that I am confident to make $1,000 per trade as I have already shown you in this video. And in the end, we have made $1,200 profit. So we have gone from loss to the profit by using this exact strategy without making any changes. So you can test it in your demo account and try it in your real account. If you think it is helpful, then you can start to use in your real account in a regular basis. Also, I have used this exact strategy to turn my $10 into $2,500, which video I'm going to give you anywhere in the screen at here. You can watch that and use this strategy in that way. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, and do join my free Telegram channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.